Welcome to qnawire.
All right, for question 85, we're referring to a picture, or you could refer to a picture that they have in the chapter where you have this underground and you have a pipe here. And it says that the pipe is made out of iron. And then they have a wire that's connecting that pipe, I believe it's a copper wire, to what they call the sacrificial magnesium piece there. And the question asks, magnesium metal is used as a sacrificial anode to protect underground pipes from corrosion. Why is the magnesium referred to as the sacrificial anode? So something is probably going to end up getting oxidized, and the goal is to not be the pipe because we don't want the pipe corroding, the iron pipe corroding. And so if we attach magnesium, it turns out that magnesium has a lower, or more, I should say, a more negative, it has a more negative E reduction than the iron that the pipe is made out of, and therefore it's more likely to be oxidized. So therefore Mg is more likely to be oxidized. So because of that, Mg, because they're coupled together by this wire, Mg is going to be the one to be oxidized and change into Mg2 plus instead of the iron pipe corroding and changing into Fe2 plus. It's going to be the one that is sacrificed to corrode and thus saving the pipe. So that's part A. Part B says, looking at Appendix E, suggest what metal the underground pipes could be made from in order for the magnesium to be successful as a sacrificial anode. So basically, so we can look up E naught for the reduction potential for magnesium, and so for magnesium, and that is negative 2.37 volts. So we need that to be, we need something that's less negative than that in order for this to still be what would be oxidized. So metals could include things like copper, which is expensive, iron, which is what they had suggested up here, technically zinc, nickel's another one. Obviously you want to avoid poisonous heavy metals, but there's some suggestions of things that would work where the magnesium is still a more negative number, therefore it would be the one that would still be the one that would be oxidized and would still be the sacrificial anode.